Best long cleaning brush. Cleaning long-necked bottles and narrow containers can be a frustrating task without the right tools. Whether you're a home brewer, a parent cleaning baby bottles, or someone maintaining reusable water bottles, a reliable long bottle cleaning brush is essential. List No. Aliexpress Bottle Brush Tube Cleaning Lab Set with Long Handle. The Aliexpress Bottle Brush Tube Cleaning Lab Set is a versatile kit that includes 8 different brushes tailored for various cleaning tasks. The standout feature is the 16-inch long-handled bottle brush with wide bristles, perfect for cleaning narrow-necked bottles like wine and beer containers. Additional tools include sponge brushes, straw brushes, and spout brushes, ensuring comprehensive cleaning for bottles, lids, and straws. Its food-grade polypropylene bristles and sturdy polypropylene handle provide durability and safety. In performance tests, the Aliexpress set excelled in versatility, offering a solution for almost any cleaning scenario. The sponge brush was particularly effective on wide-neck bottles, while the straw brushes cleaned reusable straws thoroughly. The 16-inch brush's wide bristles efficiently tackled stubborn residue. However, its lightweight construction may feel less durable compared to stainless steel options. Users appreciated the kit's hanging hooks for convenient storage. List 2. Aliexpress 6-Pack Bottle Brush Set. The Aliexpress 6-Pack Bottle Brush Set offers a robust cleaning solution with 2 14-inch bottle brushes, 3 straw brushes, and a multifunctional 3-in-1 brush. Featuring stainless steel handles and nylon bristles, this set is designed for durability and versatility. The brushes cater to cleaning bottles, carafes, straws, and baby bottle nipples, making it an excellent choice for multi-purpose use. During testing, the stainless steel handles provided a sturdy grip, and the nylon bristles effectively removed debris without scratching surfaces. The 3-in-1 multifunctional brush was particularly useful for cleaning corners and grooves. The set's inclusion of varying straw brush lengths was ideal for different straw types. However, the brushes were slightly heavier than plastic alternatives, and the rubber grip could feel bulky for smaller hands. List number 3. A-Link 17-in Extra Long Bottle Cleaning Brush Cleaner. The A-Link 17-in Extra Long Bottle Cleaning Brush is a budget-friendly option designed for cleaning tall and narrow-necked bottles. With a 17-inch handle and 2.5-inch wide bristles, it excels at reaching deep into containers. Made with BPA-free stainless steel and PBT bristles, this brush prioritizes safety and durability. The ergonomic grip enhances comfort during use. In testing, the A-Link brush performed well for cleaning beer bottles and thermoses, thanks to its extra long handle and wide bristles. Its bendable design allowed access to hard-to-reach areas, though its bristles were less effective at removing stubborn residue compared to stiffer brushes. Users noted that the lightweight construction made it easy to maneuver, but the brush head could feel too large for smaller bottles. List 4. 5-Pack Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. The Andoc 5-Pack Bottle Cleaning Brush Set includes a 15-inch bottle brush and 3 straw brushes, all made with food-grade polypropylene materials. The ergonomic rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the brushes are designed for cleaning bottles, mugs, baby bottles, and more. This set is lightweight and easy to store, with hanging holes for drying. In practical use, the Andoc brushes provided reliable cleaning for various containers, especially baby bottles and sports bottles. The rubber handle offered a secure grip, but it lacked the durability of stainless steel options. The straw brushes worked well for reusable straws, but struggled with narrower straws. Overall, this set is a good choice for casual users seeking affordable versatility. List number 5. Water Bottle Brush. The Aliexpress Water Bottle Brush is a premium option featuring a 15-inch stainless steel handle and food-grade nylon bristles. Designed for durability, the brush is ideal for cleaning glass bottles, wine decanters, and mugs. Its flexible handle and hanging hole make storage and drying convenient, while the bristles clean effectively without scratching surfaces. Testing revealed the Aliexpress brush's superior build quality, with its stainless steel handle resisting rust and wear over time. The nylon bristles provided thorough cleaning for glass and ceramic surfaces, making it a versatile tool for kitchens and cafes. However, the premium price may deter budget-conscious buyers, and its rigid design was less suitable for curved containers.